Dear students, this is a square sheet of paper, and this side is A, the length of this side A, and this is also A, and here is another small square having length B. This is also a square. So we are going to prove that how we can get a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, for this square sheet, the area of this whole part is a square, and we are going to subtract this portion. That means this is the area. What is the area of this small square? It is b square. Length is b and breadth is also b. That means the area of this small square is b square. So we are going to subtract this. The whole part, area of this whole part is a square. This length is a and breadth is also a. Length into breadth, that means a square. Area of whole part, and I am going to subtract this b square. From this whole a square, I am going to subtract this b square. After cutting this, you can subtract this, and then the remaining part must be a plus b into a minus b. Let's do it. Hello, give me my scissor, please. Okay, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut. Hello, all of you, look at here. Okay, after cutting these two pieces, I'm going to join this in this way, and this is a complete rectangle. This is complete rectangle. The breadth of this rectangle is a minus b, and this side, this a, length of this side a, and here is b. You can see here, this piece is, this is b. You can see like this. You can write here b, and here is also b. Okay, this side is b, and after joining this, you will get a complete rectangle here, and here is b, and length of this whole part is what? A plus b. This side a and this side is b, and that means this whole side, the length of this whole side a plus b, and then the area of this rectangle is a plus b into a minus b. Length into breadth, that means a plus b into a minus b. Give me a sheet of paper. Okay, we can prove this like this. Here is rectangular part, and the length of this rectangle L is equal to a plus b. From this rectangular part, you can say that a plus b, and breadth, b means what? A minus b. And this remaining part is what? This is the part of what? This is the part of what? A square minus b square. This is the part of a square minus b square. After subtracting this b square, this is the part of a square minus b square. That is equal to, you can see that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Area of this rectangle, a plus b into a minus b. Finally, you can get a square minus b square is equal to that AL into B, that means A plus B into A minus B. Proved. Okay. Once again I am going to show these pieces. Okay, first of all, here is this complete, this length of this side A and breadth of this side B A, that means the area of the whole square is what? A square. A into A, that is A square. And here is another small square having length B, and then the area of this small square is B square. And we are going to find out the result of A square minus B square. So we subtract this B square from this whole A square, and this remaining part becomes A plus B into A minus B, like this. After joining this, and this is a complete rectangle, and then length of this rectangle is A plus B. Here is A and here is B. That means A plus B length, and breadth A minus B. And finally, area of this rectangular part is A plus B into A minus B, and A square minus B square. This is A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Thank you.